Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This is a viscose dress. It's of a pretty complicated design, so I've decided to show it to you. The dress is made using the 10 measurement cutting system. There is a seam on the waist. This is a circle skirt with a wrap over. The thing is that we let the dress sag before the second fitting. The customer asked us not to cut the bottom again, making it even, so now the bottom is asymmetric. I think that it looks absolutely amazing. The bottom is overcast and edged with a stripe of thin lavender lace. I think that it looks amazing. This is kind of a draping. The wrap over ends with a bow. Have a look at the collar. This is a two-circle flounce. It's also edged with a lavender lace. The same one is on the bottom. Very beautiful. I remind you that I show you the reviews of items for you to learn something new and to see some interesting details and designs. The waistband starts from the side seam and ends with a bow on the front. This is the only part which doesn't have a waistband. This is a sleeveless dress, but the flounce serves as sleeves too. This viscose dress is absolutely amazing. Have a look at the back. Don't be afraid of making flounces. They look amazing. Some people say that their shoulders are too wide or belly is too big, so they can't wear these or those items. Do you think that your wide shoulders and big bellies would disappear if you don't wear something? Don't be afraid of the more complicated designs. Have a look at the waistband. It goes through this hole. Now I'll put this dress on table to show you all the details on the wrong side. Imagine how much hard work and efforts were put into this dress. There is no overlock stitching in this dress. Have a look at the side seam, for example. The waist seam was also made without an overlock sewing machine. Have a look at the skirt. I remind you that this is the circle skirt. All the details are very accurate. Have a look at the angles. Baby hem, overcast, lace, and they still look very light and soft. Amazing. What else can I tell you? The front bodice is doubled with the same fabric. All the tucks and seams are hidden inside. The back bodice and the skirts are lined. The fabric is very light. Have a look at the double stitching on the back neckline. The flounce was stitched in between the lining and the dress itself. Very beautiful. Have a look at the armholes. The width of the seam is just 1 millimeter. There is a wrap over on the front. You already know how to make it. The wrap over ends with a bow. The length of each stripe is about 1.7 meters. I love the way the tailors of my fashion house work. They make amazing items. This is how the dress looks like from the wrong side. This is the hole for the waistband. This is how the dress looks like from the right side. Notice that all the seams are tiny. The lace is very beautiful. The skirt is absolutely amazing. I show you reviews of items for you to learn something new. I want it to be different and beautiful. You can combine details and designs from different reviews I show you and make amazing items. To make this dress, for example, you need to be able to make a bodice with a wrap over and a circle skirt. You already know how to do it. You can change the design however you like. This tag was turned into draping. There are actually two folds here, but one of them is hidden under the flounce. Have a look at this detail. It's very important to make the angle of the wrap over very accurately. You need to do it in case something like this happens. We need to be sure that there's nothing criminal, like a curved seam or something similar. All the details should be accurate in case something like this happens. In my fashion house, we make items only of a very good quality. That's all for today. I hope that you like reviews that I show you. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.